Get out of my house now. You and I are over.
Oh, we will never be over. You are my man till death do us part. Do you understand me? Don't come at me and say that we're over. You don't even have any reason as to why we would be over. You're just, tired today, and you're tired of me being upset with you about things. Well, you left the dishes out, you did this, you did that. That's not a reason to break up. Okay? I just expect the same energy. If I'm gonna do your laundry and clean up after you, you could also clean up after yourself. Okay?
Okay.
It's easy stuff. And then guess what? Happy wife, happy life. Then you don't have to come in here and yell at me like we're gonna break up, which we're not. Because you are my what?
Your wife?
You're my man.
I'm your man.
Till death do us part.
To death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Till death does us part.
Close enough. Now, come on. Let's go eat.